I'm Jenny. I'm 43 years old. I'm a mom of 3 teenage daughters. I'm a wife. I'm a business owner, and my time's limited, and it's important to me to do what I want to do, how I want to do it, to get the results I want. And I would imagine that if that's important to you too, you might want to stay tuned. It can be so overwhelming with all of the options out there for a variety of things: physical, emotional, mental, well-being, skin, to know where to invest your money, what really works, what's worth the time and effort, and what isn't. It's overwhelming for me, and this is what I do all day. So today I just wanted to give you a quick blurb about, if you do nothing else, what you can do for your skin. You don't have to go to appointments all the time. You don't have to spend a ton of money, but the 2 things you can do for under $20 at home, easy, won't take you 5 minutes a day, are wash your face morning and night. You can get, you don't have to get anything fancy. I love this Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser. It has no parabens, fragrance, lanolin, formaldehyde releasers. It's amazing. If you have sensitized skin or just don't even know what skin type you have, this is going to be great. You can get it from King Soopers, Walgreens, Walmart, Target, Amazon, and it's really cheap. It's $7. You use a pea size, get your hands wet, put a little pea size on here, foam it up, boop, boop, get all over, get your neck, little baby circles, rinse it off morning and night. Winning, okay? First step, wash your face twice a day. Second step is SPF. So there are different types of sun rays. There's UVA and UVB. And you can think of UVA as the aging ones. Sun causes so much damage to our skin and wrinkles, and not to mention skin cancer. Skin cancer is often caused by the UVB rays. Think of B as burn. UVA, A, aging, UVB, B, burn. You don't want any of those. To combat against that, you really need to use a broad spectrum SPF with at least 30. I love this Vanicream again. It's super cheap. It has 19% zinc, I believe, 19.5% zinc. If you're looking for a sunscreen, look for a broad spectrum, and I like zinc with the percentages between 15 and 25%. If it's less than 15%, it's not going to be enough protection. If it's over 25%, I mean, great, but it's going to be like if you grew up in the 90s when people put zinc on their nose and you could never rub it in. It's going to be like that. So this has a nice combination. It's 19.5% zinc. It protects against the UVA aging and the UVB burn rays, and it's wonderful. So you can get this again from the same places, and it's cheap and it's wonderful. It is, I believe, like $12. So what you need to do after you wash your face in the morning is apply it. And this is a common misconception. People use way too little sunscreen. So you need to use 2 fingers worth. So cover up 2 fingers, that's enough for your face and neck. Go like this, see the little white cast, and then rub it on. I already have it on, but so you can see when you first start applying it, it's a little white, but you work it in, and then you don't see the white anymore. So you just rub it in for like 10 seconds. And I have a giant head, so this is a lot bigger than my face, but it's already rubbing in nicely. So you wash your face morning and night, cheap. Then you apply sunscreen every single morning. If you are not in a dark room, apply sunscreen, okay? Even in your house, natural lighting. And if you want to level it up, you really need to reapply every 2 hours or after you sweat or get out of water, like the pool or something. And I get it, like it's very annoying if you have makeup on or you're out and about to reapply this. So if you want to, you can get a powder SPF. I just keep one in my purse. You can get these anywhere, Ulta, Sephora. We love this brand, Noon, but it's tinted, and so you can just apply it over your makeup. Like I use it in the car or just middle of the day if I get a little greasy, like that. So I use this to reapply throughout the day, this in the morning, or this if I'm outside with no makeup. Easy, cheap, That's all you need, okay? Listen, I love a rabbit hole. I love a detail. I'm a very overly detailed person, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Wash your face twice a day, use sunscreen, and reapply it. Boom, winning, okay? I'll be back with more tips soon.